Hello everyone. With the incoming of a new furry member of our family, that's very active, and although we play with it every day, and actually it's no longer it's a she, and it's named Bo-Katan, like the famous character from Star Wars. We decided to also get her a toy, and today we are going to actually review something different, and it's a toy for cats that has a lot of accessories here, and we are going to assemble it, and hopefully our cat is going to let us just for a moment breathe and play with this. Hopefully she will like it. So it's a combination unit, so you get this robot looking cat here that has some balls that spin around its base, and it has a laser, and also it has an extended pole that you can add some, let's call it bait, like fishing. So you are going to fish your cat with feathers, blue feathers, white feathers, and some other things here. So it's your option to choose them. And for instance, I'm going to choose the white feathers, and all these accessories come with a small clip here, and this small clip here,
This is
yes, and this will clip here, so you can change them. And this is telescopic, like just a fishing rod. And there's Bo-Katan coming here to check it out already. And this has a screw, and it will fix here. Fix it here, please. And Bo-Katan really likes this already. So this is fixed, and because this is a very small unit, and we don't want this to tip over when the cat plays with it, it has these extendable feet. They had clips, and they fix like that, so they form a very stable platform. So this is no longer going to be turned over by the cat, in theory, because the cat is over there, right? It runs on USB power. It has a rechargeable battery, and also has a laser here, so I can power on the laser, and the laser has adjustable angle, so you can point this downward or upward. So if you want the cat to run on your walls, you can just point it upward, or if you don't want to do that, just put this on the ground and orient the laser downward, so it's going to be close on the ground, so the cat will run on the floor, not on your walls. So on the back here you have two buttons,
rotate button and laser button.
so this has two functions. So you turn on the laser from here, it's independent, so you can turn it on or off depending on your cat, if it likes lasers or not. And this one starts the actual toy, and this will make it rotate. And it has several working modes, so it's this slow random mode. If you press it again, it has the fast random mode, and then it has a mode called rotation mode, free rotation mode. So this makes a lot more rotation to one side and then goes backward, so it makes a more circular motions, but not so random and not so fast. Also you have these balls here, and these are very interesting for the cat. So when they see them spinning, you are going to see that the cat really likes them. So even if the toy is powered off, after some time these are going to get very attractive for Bo-Katan here, and she is going to start playing with them, and luckily it's going to do that for a lot of time, and it's not going to get bored by that. So it's really interesting that the cat is really attracted by these things that rotate around, and you don't even need to power this on. You can just let her play with that. So I'm going just to install this in a more ample space so you can see Bo-Katan in action, and if she is going to like this. But I can tell you from the beginning that she's already liking this because I've just unboxed it and she's so curious about this thing and she really wants to catch that feather there, and probably she's going to also want to catch the laser and to check out those balls there.